Hello everyone, I'm Janavi KL. This video is about traditional knowledge versus Western knowledge. Introduction to knowledge system. Knowledge system can be broadly classified into traditional knowledge and Western knowledge. Traditional knowledge is often rooted in indigenous practices and cultural heritage. Western knowledge typically empathizes scientific methodologies and empirical evidence. Definition of traditional knowledge. Traditional knowledge refers to the accumulative body of knowledge, practices, and beliefs held by indigenous people. It encompasses various aspects, including agriculture, medicine, and ecological management. This knowledge is often passed down through generations and is deeply tied to cultural identity. Definition of Western knowledge. Western knowledge is categorized by its reliance on on the scientific method and rational inquiry. It prioritizes objective evidence and is often published in peer-reviewed journals. This knowledge system has been influential in technological advancement and modern medicine methodologies in traditional knowledge. Traditional knowledge implies experimental learning and observation over long period. It often includes oral traditional storytelling and common practices as method of transmission. These methodologies are context specific and adapt to local environment and cultures. Methodologies in Western knowledge. Western knowledge employs systematic research, experimentation, and analysis to drive conclusion. It relies heavily on quantitative data, statistical analysis, and peer review for validation. The methodologies are standardized and reproducible across different contexts. Epistemological differences. Traditional knowledge is holistic, viewing knowledge as intera- interconnected with nature and spirituality. Western knowledge tends to compare the information focusing on specific disciplines. This differentiating epistemological influence how each system approaches problem solving and knowledge application. Application of traditional knowledge. Traditional knowledge is crucial for sustainable resource management and biodiversity conservation. It often incorporates ethical consideration and community well-being in its practices. Indigenous agriculture techniques can enhance food security and resilience to climate change. Application of Western knowledge. Western knowledge has led to significant advance in technology and healthcare. It offers standardized solutions that can be applied to a wide range of local challenges. However, it can sometimes overlook local context and indigenous perspective in its application. Knowledges and conflicts. There can be tensions between traditional knowledge system and the Western scientific approaches. Issues arise when traditional knowledge is appropriate without acknowledgement or respect. Conflicts often emerge regarding land use, resource management, and cultural preservations. Regarding the knowledge system, integrating traditional knowledge with Western knowledge can lead to more effective solutions. Collaborative approaches respect cultural diversity and enhance scientific understanding. Acknowledging the value of both systems can foster mutual respect and promote sustainable practices.